The 600-watt cordless vacuum cleaner offers impressive suction power of 50,000 pascals, thanks to its advanced motor, making it highly effective for removing dust, crumbs, and pet hair. With a remarkable 70 minutes of runtime from its high-capacity battery, this vacuum is perfect for extensive cleaning tasks without the need for frequent recharges. The innovative wall-mounted charging system ensures the vacuum is always ready to use, while the anti-tangle V-shaped design is particularly beneficial for pet owners. Its self-standing feature provides convenient pause-and-go cleaning, and the dual-bristle roller brush effectively tackles both surface dust and deep-seated debris. The 8-stage HEPA filtration system captures nearly all microscopic dust particles, ensuring cleaner air, while the aroma tablet slot adds a refreshing scent to your home. Ideal for both hardwood floors and carpets, this vacuum combines powerful performance with convenience and thoughtful features to enhance your cleaning experience.